Hello guys, and I'm gonna do the burping challenge again.
And me.
So, yeah. She's not really in it, but it's just, stuff. But, okay. Burp one. Still got lots of soda to go. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I'm laughing. Also here, I'm gonna take a look at this. That was nice and soft, and smooth. Like I said, smooth. Okay, still have some soda left.
Have you seen the Gizmo, the cutest dog?
If you haven't watched the first video, watch it. It's good. Me burping. I don't know, it was one of my best burps of all time. Woo! Cheers to burping. Woo!
Okay, then.
If you don't like burps, so it is the wrong show to watch.
I know how down this is. Every time I burp. He just looks at me just screaming at me.
Okay, this is the ending of the burping challenge.
No.
Okay, let's start the wave. Bye.